Hello. Right, I haven't raced any more since last video, so we're straight into Touring Car Series. We're just going to stick using the Civic for now, because I haven't raced to get any queens to buy anything. And I couldn't be bothered to mess around with the renting, so we'll stick with the Civic. I'm nowhere near as fast as the guys in this lobby, so I think I'd have qualified 6th. If I qualified, I ran like a 130, early 132s in practice, but that was on medium, so no, could say I might have pinched 5th, but I don't know, they seem to be quite fast in here. And only a small lobby. I can't for the life of me find the full lobby. So we'll see how this one goes. Fingers crossed we can get a nice, fun, clean race. Yeah. Right, let's go then. I didn't even downshift out. See if we can actually get around the first lap with any without any altercations. So the main test will be when we get to the corkscrew now. I think everyone got through clean. Very wide there. I think everyone had a problem-free first lap. Gonna make a move in the space. Makes me laugh that most of the names I'm seeing in these lobbies now, even though I've sort of reset on a new account, are names that I would see on my normal account anyway. So it'd be interesting to see what the matchmaking for skill rating is. Took that really bad. I've no doubt that Long T will go straight past me at some point. I was going to lose that there. I want to race aggressively, but at the same time, I'm so worried about holding people up and making a mistake and ruining their race that I'm just driving really, really cautiously. Right, someone's pitting already, so I'm assuming that they either didn't change off of softs or forgot to do their fuel after practice or qualifying. This video is probably going to go out a bit later than normal because I had nothing recorded and I've just got in from work. After almost a year on the shelf, I've finally, try not to ruin his race, finally gone back to work full time now, so I'm still trying to get a routine going of working and recording. So I'll do my best to try and keep the daily uploads going, but it might get to a point where I might have to bring it down and do every other day, but I'll try my hardest to keep it as every day. To fresh tyres on. Raggy staying out on hards. So I'm pretty sure every race I've been in where Raggy has been in the same lobby, he's normally running hards. See if we can get a position or two. or at least manage to get a half tidy lap time. Excuse me. After waiting half an hour to get out the pits. Silly. Okay, so saying must be the dude that pitted early. Broke way too hard then. What am I doing? Silly mistake after silly mistake. Nearly lost it again then. It looks like if everything stays the same way it is, we're probably going to get stuck in no man's land here, and it's going to be me and Sayan fighting for P10. It's not a good thing when a bad lap on lap 8 It's your fastest lap. Okay, now we're getting a bit smoother. Still slow around there. One, two, 132, 4. Be nice if we could break into the 131s, but don't think that's going to happen. Especially not taking that corner like that. Probably lost half a second there. Definitely between those two. Probably 7/10 down. Yeah, 6.6. Carried too much speed through there. And now it's just, oh, there we go, shit. I suppose on the plus side we didn't come last. Well, we were way off the pace.
P8.
Well done to these guys. They are fast boys. Let's have a quick check and see if that made any difference to skill rating. While Mitzi attacks my feet. Okay, skill rating went down 3593. So yeah, we'll have to see if we can improve in the next video. But yeah, that's it for this one. Sorry it's not the greatest of videos, but it's what I could pump out quickly, so hopefully the next one's a bit better. But thank you and goodbye.